Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add image bullet point in Apple Keynote. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Keynote software. Now we go to the new option and click this blank slide. Then we create a list. Click this text option, then write something. Now I am write something to create a list. Then we select the text, click and drag on your mouse, otherwise you can press Ctrl A to select all. Then go to the text menu and go to this bullet and list drop down menu. Now we can see here the image bullet list. Now I click this, we can see here the bullet is downdated image format. Now we can see we make a bullet list image format very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.